It certainly is fair to say that the last DJI Fly update 1.4.8 certainly didn't go down well. We covered it on this channel about the overheating issue, the phone going into dim mode on iPhones, and hundreds of you fed back as well. So I've had countless phone calls and conversations with DJI to try and get this resolved. And brilliantly, thanks so much to DJI for getting this resolved fast. I've got some good news for you. So for anybody who was holding off updating because of this massive issue that loads of people were having on iOS with that phone overheating, cutting off and going into auto dim, making it really hard to see, let's just have a look now. So right now, currently on iOS, you go on, open up your app on the DJI Fly update, you go on to the actual app, click on Go Fly, and then I've got my RC connected to my mobile phone. So as I'm just going to pull down in the top right hand corner, you will see now that when my phone is connected, it is not charging. So it's on 11%. That is not charging while it's connected. So that's good for a start. And this is because we finally have now got back the option to auto charge the phone and turning that on or off. All you need to do is go into your settings, control, scroll down, and under remote controller, phone charging is there. We've finally got it back to either have it on or off. Thank you so much to everybody who fed this back. Thanks so much to DJI for listening and getting this resolved fast. And anyone who was on iOS who was having issues with their phone, overheating and going into dim mode, now you can turn phone charging off so it won't charge all the time. So fantastic, brilliant news there. And we can use this, and this is the exact same on DJI Mini 2, DJI Air 2S. So it's across the board. So go and have fun flying again. I hope this helps you guys, especially you guys in hot climates. Make sure control, scroll down to the bottom and then turn that off. In regards to every other setting, nothing else has changed, but fantastic news there. So have a great evening. Thanks so much for the support on the channel. We get all these problems sorted eventually. Take care. Bye bye.